multiply two-digit number. Welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Ortega. Multiplying two-digit numbers. Step 1. Multiply the ones. Free group if necessary. 6 times 3 is 18. Write the answer, the number 8, in the place of the ones. Then regroup the number 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 1 equal 4. Write the answer in the place of the tens. Align it. That's easy. Let's go to the next lesson. Multiplying 3-digit and 4-digit number. Step 1. Multiply the ones. Regroup if necessary. We have 6 times 3, 18. Write the 8, regroup the 1. 1 times 3, write the 4. And then the hundredth. 2 times 3 is 6. The product is 648. It's too easy. Let's practice in your textbook. Bye-bye.